water signs! Welcome po sa ating tahanan, Tiki Hope Tarot. Ito ang ating weekend timeless reading, okay? So, pwedeng mangyari ito this weekend or next weekend or I don't know kung kailan nyo mapanood yung video, I guess, no? So, para ito sa grupo ng water signs, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. So, makaka-relate kayo doon if you have water saan man sa inyong birth chart o di kaya you're dealing with a water sign. Okay? Let's see. Tingnan natin ang inyong Angel Tarot situation. For water sign, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. Maaring makaresonate kayo rito. Maaring ito ay energy ng inyong person or baka kapitbahay ninyo, sino man yung ka-relate nyo or kung nasan man yung focus nyo right now, no? Minsan nafi-feature natin pati mga napapanood ninyo. So, i-ground natin yung sarili natin, our energies para yung mga nangangailangan ng mensahe, yun po ang lalabas sa ating reading. Okay? So, current situation, water signs, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, weekend timeless reading. Feel free to reverse the roles, maski gender. Kahit pag sinabi ko wife, maaring husband kayo. Okay? So, reverse nyo na lamang po. Wife to husband, husband to wife, girlfriend to boyfriend. Okay? Alright, so first card natin lumabas, we have Ace of Cups, a new beginning, new offer. Okay? Something that you love, finding joy. Okay? So meron kayong bagong discovery about something. Alright? Or meron kayong mensahe, a message of happiness. Eight of Pentacles. This is someone being diligent dahil someone works hard pero nasa challenge position siya. Someone is realizing meron sa inyo siguro ang challenge niyo is mastery. No? Parang someone is a Jane of all trades siguro, magaling or Jack of all trades, magaling kahit nasan. Siguro itong taon to medyo parang bakit ikaw ang dali mong mag-create ng opportunity at saka happiness para sa sarili mo, pati abundance, water sign. Pero someone is having a difficult time, nahihirapan sila na mag-catch up sa'yo. Okay? Yung progress mo. It's like you're non-stop, unstoppable. Okay? Eight of Swords. Medyo parang wala silang mukhang ihaharap sa'yo pagdating sa mga na-achieve mo or yung trabaho or yung focus or yung quality ng trabaho na na-deliver mo, no? So, they're kind of like someone is stuck in their situation. Eight of Swords. Could be mental prison. Maari na, I don't know kung mental prison lang ito, spiritual prison, or actual prison, okay? Kasi someone here, we have truth and justice. So, ito yung parang what you need to know. You have Eight of Swords. Someone is stuck in their situation, okay? Siguro kasi, pinaglaban mo yung sarili mo, no? Meron kang iniwan na situation dito with a person dahil meron ka ng bagong, nagbago na. You have this new beginning. You're starting on your own. Okay? Meron kang bagong freedom, bagong journey. It's like starting a fresh page. Itong taon to, they are stuck dahil hindi nila magawa how you doing it. Okay? Parang naka-move on ka na siguro, paya sila or siguro nawala na sila ng opportunity, they're stuck, they don't know what to do, they're out of ideas. Okay, wala na silang, they're just stuck in their head. Nag-freeze sila. Outcome nito is Nine of Cups. Merong taong frozen dahil hindi nila alam, stuck sila sa'yo dahil, I don't know, siguro mahal ka pa nila. You make them happy. Ano to? Stuck on you. There's a feeling that I just can't explain. And I'm on my way. Needed a friend. Anyway, channeling, What's his name? Sino ba kumanta ng Stuck on You? Lionel Richie. There you go. Okay, so someone stuck on you, water sign. Dahil ikaw ang kanilang wish fulfillment, nahihiya sila dito. I think there's a missed opportunity. Okay? Nahihiya sila humarap sa'yo dahil hindi nila alam kung kaya nilang tapatan ikaw. Merong parang ano rito, no? Siguro intimidating ka yung dating mo or yung qualifications mo, medyo alam nila they're dealing with a master. Okay? They're not dealing with a regular person. So alam nila that you are siguro a master, professional sa ginagawa mo. Okay? You're unstoppable and you're very successful. Okay? At ang natin dito, ang ending nito is just somebody wants to make you happy. Pero they don't know paano nila gagawin 'yon. Okay? So expect an offer of love, definitely. Meron kang new love rito. So new opportunity for a new relationship. But you have to do the work, obviously, with the Eight of Pentacles. This is parang doing what you love. Okay? Itong inumpisahan mo, it's just part of who you are. At saka parang siguro mag-further studies ka. No? Meron kang offer or opportunity dito kung hindi sa relationship, trabaho, career, okay? Or education. Definitely leveling up, learning something new. Pero nararamdaman ko dito malakas a new relationship. Somebody wants to come in pero medyo nai-intimidate sila sa'yo dahil tuloy-tuloy ka sa trabaho. Parang mag-break ka naman, water sign. Mag-break ka naman para magkaroon din sila ng opportunity na pumasok at makipag-usap, parang let them in. Kumbaga ba, hindi nga lang nila alam paano uumpisahan sa'yo. Okay? So, andun yung kaba, andun yung nervyos, andun yung parang hindi nila alam how to, kasi you're a seer. Alam nila, hindi sila pwedeng magpanggap sa'yo. Face off agad. Okay? Alam nila, pagharap nila sa'yo, they have to show their true self. No masks. Kasi nakaka-sense ka eh. Nakaka-sense ka kung meron kang parang parang kang lie detector machine. Nade-detect mo kung nagsasabi sila ng totoo o hindi. Siguro gusto rin nilang parang gusto nilang i-secret itong offer na to. Pero they can't. They can't lie to you. Okay? This person is sobrang stuck lang sila. They just want to come towards you, have this opportunity, enjoy you, celebrate. Okay? Or meron kang news rito na matatanggap, it took a while, pero it's something na worth looking forward to. Okay? Worth all the wait, worth all the effort. Kasi from Ace of Cups, Nine of Cups ang ending mo. Okay? So, maaring single ka or maaring you're dealing with a single person. Siguro it took a while. Single kayo for a long time but not for long. Alright? So, there's this new love coming in, definitely. There's hope. Hope in your situation. Okay, water sign. So, beautiful energy, no? Naka-recharge siguro kayo over the weekend or nagkaroon kayo ng nice break. Nag-focus kayo on your own and then here comes an offer of love. Kasi natutunan mo nang yung sarili mo eh. Ilayo yung sarili mo from negativity, toxic stuff, toxic people, negative behavior. Wow! This Ace of Cups, sobrang enamored. Sobra silang in love sa'yo. Gustong-gusto nilang nakikita yung litrato mo or tinitingnan na nila yung sarili nila sa salamin. Parang you guys look good together. Ini-imagine na nila kayo right by their side. No? Beauty and glamour, baka this is parang baka nasa kayo, no? Celebrity or nasa fashion industry, ganyan. Beauty industry. Or baka time nyo na magpaganda, pamper yourself dahil Your Prince Charming or your dream girl is here. Parang someone is being conscious tuloy sa kanilang looks. Someone, merong letting go. Okay, merong parang past rito that held you back. Eight of Swords, letting go. There was something na parang nakakahiya na nangyari in the past na parang yun yung parang nag-ano sa kanila, nagdampen ng spirits nila or nawalan sila ng confidence or yun yung rason bakit bumaba yung confidence nila because of this tong Eight of Swords energy na to. There could be parang lies or siguro white lie or something like that, no? Meron kayong nalaman or na-discover dito about your person na medyo kinakahiya nila, na they're not so proud of. Yun yung parang nag-deter or nakaano sa nila, no? Pag-offer sa'yo. It took a long time, pero ikaw ito, you were able to somehow na-overcome yung fear. Okay? And they're able to parang they just have to let go of that fear. Hanggat hindi nila nale-let go, ano man yung nangyaring nakakahiya in the past, they need to conquer it, okay? Do some shadow work. Otherwise, mahihirapan silang lumapit sa'yo at alam nila yun. Alam nila na makikita mo yung insecurities nila. So, kaya sila nangangamba dahil hindi nila alam anong sasabihin mo sa kanila. Nako-conscious sila pati yung how they look, how they present themselves sa inyo. Kailangan pogi ako, kailangan ano bang type niyang lalaki or babae, ano bang type niya, no? So, ang inyong person is all about that. Okay? At kinakabahan, excited for this new beginning or offer na ipepresenta nila sa inyo. Okay? Six of Pentacles. Meron kayong matatanggap na reward, gift from this person. Kasi you made them happy. At yung gift na yon or reward will make you very happy. Okay? It's part of your destiny. Ow! Ooh! Nine of Cups, destiny. You're meant to be na sumaya ka. Meant to be na magsama, magawa mo kung ano yung ginagawa mo right now, whatever it is, or to be with the person that you love. Okay? So, beautiful. Merong offer of love dito. Opportunity, definitely. If not relationship, this is someone na parang in the beauty industry, fashion world, yung mga ganun type, no? Parang forte mo yun. Forte, siguro nagva-vlog ka, ganyan, or baka surrounded ka with models, baka ikaw yung nasa behind the camera, hindi ikaw yung artist, pero you're doing creatives, ikaw yung cameraman, nag-edit, nag-upload, everything, no? Nagda-direct. It's good, no? Parang merong partnership rito, an offer of doing something that you really love. And parang this is just practicing your self-mastery. Being happy with your own skin. Okay? And itong taong ito, dahil na-master mo yon, dahil maganda yung, kumbaga ba, you live a healthy lifestyle, meron kang work and life balance, alam mo kung paano alagaan din yung sarili mo, no? So it's a happy moment. Okay? So you're really vibrating high and mas lalo kang nagiging attractive para sa taong to. Lalo tuloy silang nai-intimidate. Okay? Pero alam nila they cannot stay in this energy any longer. At parang umaano na yung sobra-sobra na yung attraction nila sa iyo at saka yung adoration at pagmamahal na gusto nilang mag-offer sa inyo and they can't wait to give you this gift, no? So this is something na yung offer, this is relationship of a lifetime. Yes, this is your end all be all. This is the one, definitely. Okay? For most of you, no? Kung hindi naman ito trabaho, this is your, kung hindi naman ito relationship, your dream person, this is your dream job, or this is, parte ng, bucket list. Okay? Ticking your bucket list. something that you really love, okay, that you really enjoy. You're gonna be part of this organization or a family or a group, okay? Baka glamour squad ka or time mo na siguro magpaganda kasi ito na ang inyong destiny. Destiny is knocking. Ano man ito? Water sign. Situation for Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Ace of Cups, Beauty. This is your magic. Someone finds you very beautiful, very attractive, very creative also, no? So, madali mong mapresenta yung sarili mo and you're very likable. People like watching you, seeing your, merong ano rito, no? Very photogenic. Very expressive yung mukha nila. At the same time na parang may pagka, of nostalgia. Parang old beauty, classic beauty, okay? Someone is a classic beauty. They love na mahaba ang buhok mo at alon-alon. At gusto nila yon about you. There are things here na parang kinailangan nilang i-let go dahil ikaw ang nakikita nilang destiny. Okay? So, ang ating Eight of Swords again. We have Ace of Cups, Empress. Obviously, this is you, water sign. This is your new love again, no? Ace of Cups. Strong pregnancy. Okay, somebody wants to have you secretly. Merong plano rito of a proposal, marrying you, getting you pregnant. So, careful. Ang lakas sobra ng dating mo. May tao rito who just wants to get you pregnant. So, kung hindi mo pa plano, magkaroon ng wala kang baby plans, learn to protect yourself, use protection. At also, aside from that, kung yung iba naman sa inyo, too late na, alam mo na buntis ka. Or alam mo na yeah, you know about this. May revelation, moon card. Kahit na i-secret pa nila to sa'yo, hermit and moon card, wala na silang magagawa rito. Dahil all in, kumbaga ba, ang inyong masculine. Nothing they can do about it, Eight of Swords. Okay? Merong mare-reveal sa iyo rito, hindi mo, parang somehow, someone is releasing themselves, finally. Okay? A big revelation. Sasabihin nila yung matagal na nila tinatago or their, revelation of a deep, dark secret. Okay? And it's something na somehow, destiny mo na sa inyo mag-open up itong taong ito. Okay? So, meron kayong divine purpose. Bakit kayo nagkasama? There's a new project, definitely. You're meant to work together. Hindi lang as parang to be together, co-creators, ganyan or be partners. Pero meron pang a deeper, mare-reveal lahat ito sa inyo. Okay? Siguro by 8th of October. So, baka ba mamaya, today or the next, from today until 8 days, 8 days from now or 8 months, something has been going on for the last 8 months. I think matagal na nila itong niluluto. 8 months nila itong niluto at pinagplanuhan. Okay? Ganun katagal nila inisip ito. Kaya 8 of Swords, 8 months. This is your number 8. This is your destiny. And all be all nga. No? Wow. This is someone new. Hindi nyo pa sila nami-meet o kaya na-meet niyo na sila pero walang parang hindi nag-progress into anything. Siguro casual lang kayo. If anything, wala silang pinapakitang motibo sa inyo. So magugulat ka, bigla na lang So it will be a lovely surprise. Definitely. Parang matagal nilang tinago yung kanilang admiration at pagmamahal sa'yo. Siguro someone had to separate first. Baka kasi alam nila, married ka. Baka kaya Empress energy. Okay? Yung iba siguro sa inyo was married or you're dealing with a married person. So parang they had to separate muna, think things through. at finally na-realize nila it's you, okay? It's you that they love, ikaw ang gusto nila, you are their empress, okay? Matagal na silang merong secret admiration or secret love, no? Or you could be secret lovers. At ngayon, finally, magkakaroon kayo ng opportunity na i-reveal sa isa't isa na mahal ninyo ang isa't isa. Okay? I don't think secret lovers kayo as in you're in a relationship, tinatago nyo sa iba. Hindi. This is entirely brand new. Secret kayo, secret kayo about how you feel about each other. Okay? Pareho kayo. I don't think I don't think divine feminine lang or divine masculine, pareho kayo na ang tagal nyong hinintay, I think 8 months siguro, no? From the time na nagkakilala kayo hanggat sa time na maamin ninyo sa isa't isa na yes, I think I am in love with you. It took 8 months. No? It's a work. Definitely work in progress. Practicing self-control and all that. So, talagang kinilala ninyo, inusisa ninyo, inaral ninyo ang sitwasyon ng isa't isa. Okay? And now, you're gonna be living your destiny. Everything will be revealed to you. Your destiny. Okay? Your happiness, your destiny will be revealed to you after 8 months. Okay? So, from the time na nakilala mo tong taong ito, count 8 months. Okay? So, most likely, this is the 8th month. Okay? October is like the 10th of the month. Pero, ewan ko, this would be the 8th of the month. Or siguro 8 months na kayong nagkakilala from this day. Okay? So, yeah, during this time, one of these days, baka bukas, okay? Or mamayang gabi, baka gabi mangyari, baka nighttime, dumating ang inyong person at sa kanila i-release. Okay? Sa kanila i-release sa inyo lahat ng information, lahat ng tanong ninyo, lahat. Okay? Lahat ng totoo. Why it took 8 months. Okay? Lahat. It will be revealed to you. So, and this will be a start of a new beginning partnership na based on trust and truth. Okay? So, isusolidify ninyo itong connection na ito na for so long ang tagal ninyong inintay. And finally, it's here. This could be, like I said, no, dream role, dream job. I'm so excited for you. Hindi po ako water sign, pero i-claim ko pa rin tong reading na to. Kasi gano'n naman talaga, no? Kahit hindi mo sign, basta naka-relate kayo or there's something about dun sa title na parang, tinatawag kayo, ganyan, or nakakuha ng attention ninyo, go ahead and click it. Kasi you'll never know ano yung lalabas na blessing. Pag narinig niyo itong mensahe na to, then you're available for this new love, na pang forever, a new beginning in a love relationship na very stable, na gusto lang kayong pagsilbihan, gusto nila kayong iligay sa pedestal, okay? They adore you so much, they find you very beautiful, at parang it took a long time lang. Yun lang talaga yung rito, na maraming mare-reveal sa inyo, no? So, kahit ako rito, kahit hindi ako, pero I'm Scorpio, I think may Scorpio ako somewhere. Meron din akong water sign rito. So, yes. Alright? So, ang natin dito, aside from your signs, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, we also have Libra, Taurus, and Virgo. Okay? Pisces pala. Tama. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. So, we have Libra, Taurus, Virgo energy na baka you're connecting with. Okay? Sabi dito, organization. So, siguro, magsa-start kayo ng business or basta, dream role, dream job. This is part of, basta, hindi lalampas ang August na hindi kayo masaya. Definitely, this offer. Okay? Good time to be in a relationship for you, water sign, o kaya follow your passion, your love. Okay? With the Ace of Cups. Lovely, lovely energies. Thank you so much. Hopefully, naka-resonate kayo or merong hope sa inyong situation knowing na ito ang what's up ahead for you, no? Or kung ano man yung ino-offer or ano yung available para sa inyo from God. So, if I were you, claim this reading, di ba? So, ganun lang yan. Kahit hindi kayo Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, at least kung hindi lesson, blessing ito, and why not? Anong mawawala, 'di ba? So, please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the kalembang para updated tayo sa ating mga uploads and comment down below paano po kayo naka-resonate dito. Alright? So, thank you so much. Sana nag-enjoy kayo and enjoy the weekend, water signs. Mwah!